Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of affiliate marketing and show you how to earn money online by promoting products and services. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing, discussing the strategies, platforms, and resources that are ideal for beginners. If you're new to affiliate marketing and eager to start earning, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. Understanding affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to drive traffic and encourage conversions through unique tracking links provided by the affiliate programs you join. Why choose affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers numerous benefits for beginners. It requires minimal upfront investment, allows for flexible working hours, and provides the opportunity to earn passive income. With the right strategies and platforms, you can start generating revenue while learning and growing in the industry. Choosing the right affiliate marketing platform for beginners. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly affiliate marketing programs. With a vast range of products and a trusted brand name, it offers excellent earning potential. We'll guide you through the process of joining Amazon Associates, selecting products, and leveraging their marketing tools. ClickBank. ClickBank is a popular affiliate marketing platform that specializes in digital products, such as ebooks, courses, and software. We'll explore how to navigate the ClickBank marketplace, choose profitable products, and optimize your promotions to maximize your earnings. ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate network that connects you with various merchants across different industries. It provides a user-friendly interface and offers a wide range of products and services to promote. We'll walk you through the process of joining ShareASale, finding suitable merchants, and optimizing your campaigns. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. CJ Affiliate is another renowned affiliate marketing platform that offers a vast selection of affiliate programs from well-known brands. We'll explain how to get started with CJ Affiliate, search for relevant programs, and utilize their reporting and analytics features to track your performance. Effective strategies for affiliate marketing success. Niche selection and target audience research. Choosing the right niche and understanding your target audience are crucial for affiliate marketing success. We'll provide tips on how to conduct niche research, identify profitable markets, and analyze your target audience's needs and preferences. Content creation and promotion. Engaging content is essential for driving traffic and generating conversions. We'll explore various content creation strategies, such as blog posts, product reviews, tutorial videos, and social media promotion, to help you attract and engage your audience effectively. Building an email list. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products or services directly. We'll discuss email marketing best practices, list building techniques, and how to provide value to your subscribers while generating affiliate revenue. Tracking performance and optimizing campaigns. Tracking affiliate links and conversions. Tracking the performance of your affiliate campaigns is crucial for optimization. We'll explore different tracking tools and techniques to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings, enabling you to identify high-performing strategies and make data-driven decisions. Split testing and optimization. Split testing involves comparing different elements of your campaigns to determine the most effective approaches. We'll discuss how to conduct split tests on landing pages, ad creatives, and call-to-action buttons, helping you optimize your campaigns for higher conversions and earnings. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of affiliate marketing and the platforms suitable for beginners. By choosing the right affiliate marketing platform, implementing effective strategies, and optimizing your campaigns, you can start earning money online and building a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, consistency, creativity, and continuous learning are key to long-term success in this industry. Happy affiliate marketing!